Welcome to the world of Free, the flagship brand of Iliad Group and a major player in the landline telecom market in France. With a market share of 23% in the broadband segment, Free has more than 4.5 million subscribers. It's a highly innovative, game-changing brand accounting for 99% of Iliad's total revenue. Free is the brainchild of Xavier Niel, an eccentric, invisible man who prefers to stay behind the scene as CTO. Parallels have been drawn to Steve Jobs, the same entrepreneurial spirit without the black turtleneck. Xavier's out-of-the-box thinking has catapulted him from obscure hacker to number 12 on the French fortune in less than a decade. Free is known as France's most dynamic 21st century telecoms provider, organized into two segments: traditional internet hardware and internet broadband services famous for their triple play offer. As its name suggests, Free is about driving down the cost of service while delivering more value to the customer through high-speed internet connections, free Wi-Fi hubs, and unlimited global voice calls. In the next few minutes, we'll explain the secret behind Free's meteoric rise beginning in 1999 and bringing us to today, a company with revenues of 2 billion euros, EBITDA of 786 million euros, and more than 5,000 employees. In 2002, Free launched its DSL service using lines leased from French Telecom, but later established its own telecom network, enabling it to extract 80% gross margin from customers on its own lines. Since then, Free has revolutionized the French telecom industry, spurring regulators to open the internet market in the process. Free entered the ISP market with an aggressive disruptive offering at $29.99, while the competition charged 45 euros. Free rolls out new features, never charging subscribers extra fees, in areas such as service speed, free unlimited voice calls, and HDTV. Free has again captured the consumer's imagination through the recent launch of Freebox, which combines traditional TV and internet along with 3D Blu-ray and gaming attractively packaged in a design by Philip Stark. Free is now aiming to change the game in the mobile sector, having recently won a 5-year battle for the 4th mobile license. The business model will focus on few stores, no handset subsidies, and no lock-in contracts. So why is Free agile? Free has managed to jump from one industry to another, starting with hardware and moving into the ISP space. Also, it is a restless innovator. Free's strategic sensitivity allowed them to see early signals of the maturity of their original internet infrastructure business. They moved into the growing ISP space, building upon their existing capability and customer base, and now they're about to make another jump into the mobile sector. As a restless innovator, Free anticipates and even creates customer demand through new ideas like Freebox, but not all ideas have proven to be a success. Notable characteristics of Free include non-diversified cash flows, the ability to spot and exploit changes in the market ahead of competitors, and the ability to maintain a sense of urgency. Therefore, we see Free as a dancer due to its low absorption and high agility attributes. Let's now turn our attention to the issues of culture, leadership, processes, and structure. The overall company culture can be described through its ability to A, persist, B, resist, and C, ignore obstacles. Xavier's leadership style has been characterized by colleagues and rivals as brilliant, awkward, and loyal to his allies. He has transformed from a computer hacker selling adult chat rooms on a primitive internet model into a billionaire. Hacker mentality is very dominant in the company culture. For those seeking technology challenges, Free is an epicenter of creativity. Xavier develops strategy through consensus. His work method centers on email because he dislikes meetings. Free's flat hierarchy and HR processes help it maintain a turnover below 5%. For example, 50% of compensation is linked to individual and group performance based on attendance, productivity, and communication with the customer. So what does the future hold? The mobile opportunity looks promising. A recent survey showed 33% of consumers would switch to Free Mobile. On December 13th, the French regulator gave its official authorization for Free to launch its mobile business. The company is now working fast for a January launch. So will Xavier repeat his success in mobile? Only time will tell. So what have we learned? Companies can be agile by disrupting the market if they are flexible enough to seize opportunities as they arise. Free turned the ISP market on its head through continuously innovating new products and is set to do the same in the mobile market.